Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Neo boyfriend from the Friday Night Funkin Mod. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Let's start off by drawing the eyebrows. Draw an angled line from the center out to the right. And now from the center, let's curve it up and out to the left. Now let's thicken the eyebrows up slightly, tapering them at the end. Let's draw the eyes next. Starting underneath on the right, towards the center, let's draw a line down here. And then a curved line to the right. Now connect them at the bottom. And then color the eye in black. Now let's do the same thing on the left, but this eye is going to be longer like this. Let's draw the shape of the face next. Move over to the left side, next to the eye, and draw an angled line down. Now curve it out to the left of the cheek, and then back in. Let's draw the mouth next. Inside in the bottom right, let's draw a curve across here. And then at the end, a small line down. Now from under the top line, let's curve it out to the left. And one more curve at the bottom. Let's draw the bangs next. Start above on the right, and let's draw an angle down all the way to the left. And now under it, a curved V shape down to the eyebrow. And now under the eyebrow, let's draw an angle down. Stopping here, let's leave a small gap for the headphones. Let's draw the headphones next. Start next to the bottom of the face and draw an angled line. And now let's curve it up, very close to the eyebrow. And now from the top, we're going to angle it out to the right. And now from the top and the bottom, let's draw lines outwards to the right. And now let's close off the right side with the same angles as the other side. Next, inside, let's draw those same angles again. So start from the top and draw an angle down, then a line down, and then one more angle out to the right. Next, from the top of the headset, let's draw two angles up, and then a line across the top. Next, for the headset, let's draw the diamond detail. Starting inside, draw a V shape here. And then a longer V to close off the top. Let's bring it up and out like this, and then one more down. Now inside the diamond, let's draw a border with the same shape. Next, let's erase the headphone lines, but just inside the diamond border. Like this. Now to finish it off, let's draw one more diamond shape inside. And that's it for the headset. Now let's finish off the hair. Start above the top left of the headset, and let's draw an angle up. And then a pointed piece of hair out on the left up like this. And then another angle up at the end. Now let's curve it down and out, and back in. And then one more point to close it off back into the face. Next, let's draw his hoodie above the head. Start on the top left of the head and draw an angle up. And then curve it up, a little dip down, up, and over like this. And now bring it back down into the headset. Now on the top right, let's draw a curve out and back down. Now bring it back down to the headset. Next on the bottom, draw a curve over to the diamond. And then on the other side, continue that back down. Let's draw the right arm down on the right now. Underneath the mouth here, let's draw a line down. Now underneath the headset on the right, draw a curve down and out. Now at the bottom, let's angle it back in, and then a curve up and over like this. Next, underneath the face, let's draw a V shape for the scarf. Now to the left of this, let's draw an angled line out for the side of the body. And then now let's curve it back over to the arm. Now let's draw the pattern on the hoodie. Start with 2 curves here. And then close it off at the bottom with a zigzag. Next, we're going to draw 3 diagonal lines across inside the shape. And lastly, for the inside of the hoodie, draw 2 curved lines down the center. Let's draw the right side of the pants and the right shoe next. Move over to the right side, under the arm, and draw a curve down. And now underneath, let's draw a V. And extend it slightly out past the side like this. Now for the right side, let's curve it back into the bottom point. And for the left side, let's draw a square shape coming out to the left like this. And now inside, draw a diagonal line. Now on the left, let's draw another line out, down, and back in like this. And then underneath, an angle down. Now let's draw the shape of the shoe with a large curve. Let's draw the sole of the shoe next. On the left side, draw a curve down. Now let's hop to the right and draw a bent line like this. Out and down. Now let's connect these 2 lines with a curve across the bottom. And lastly, for the shoe, let's draw the laces. Start with an angled rectangle inside here. And then one more going in the opposite direction so that we form an X pattern. Now let's erase the lines inside this rectangle. And that's it for the right shoe. Let's move on to the left side now. Let's move over underneath the center of the body, and we're going to draw an angle down and then one more down into the shoe. Now from under this line, let's draw an angle out to the left. Now let's draw the tongue of the shoe. Start with another angled line, out and up like this. And then curve it out at the end. Now close off the top with a curve. Next, inside, draw 2 diagonal lines to make a triangle shape. Now from the bottom left, let's draw the top of the shoe like this. Now let's curve it back in, stopping here. And then one more curve over to the right. Now let's follow these same curves underneath for the sole of the shoe. Now let's draw the shoelaces inside with the same X pattern. Lastly, let's finish off the left side of the pants. Start underneath the shirt on the left and draw a small line down. And now a point out to the left to close it off. Now that we're done with the body, let's draw the left hand holding the microphone now. Start on top of the left side of the pants and draw a curve up and then a diagonal line down. And now we're going to draw 2 more fingers on top. Start with a point up and then a curve over and down. And then 1 more finger like this. Now let's close off the left side of the hand with 3 bumps going down on an angle. Next, let's add the thumb. Start underneath the hair next to the cheek and draw a curve down. And then 1 more curve down to the hand. Now next to the thumb, let's draw a line back over underneath the face like this for the top of the arm. Let's draw the microphone next. Draw a curved rectangle at the top of the hand. And then add another curve inside. Next, at the end, let's draw a circle for the microphone head. And then add some detailed curved lines inside. And lastly, let's add the scarf hanging down on the right. Let's move over to the right side, underneath the headset, and draw an angled line down. And then curve it out to the right, and back down to the foot. Now let's draw some small details inside. In the bottom, let's draw a curve up and back down like this. And at the very end, let's draw some small lines. And that's it for the Neo boyfriend. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.